So this is my second attempt at my first stream because the first time I did not have my custom content enabled and I was frantically trying to figure out why my custom content wasn't working, and it's because I didn't have it enabled. But I'm here. So first of all, the custom content I have installed, I'm going to read that out for you. So I still don't know how to pronounce this person's username, but it's I'm gonna spell it out. It's OKRUEE. On Patreon, I downloaded their Rin and Cressida. I don't know. They're both hares, and they're both very beautiful. So another creator, Dogsill on Patreon. I downloaded their Luis hair and their cryptids package. It's like a Halloween thing, I believe. And Anders Simbler on Tumblr, I downloaded their Snowfall Skin Blend. So I'm gonna give her a few more random, or just one. I think that person actually kind of looks like me. I'm trying to recreate myself. I do have a little bump, but do I want to have that on my sim? I don't know. Need to make a little more round, a little big. My nose is straight. Like that. I really like her big cheeks. I love the puffy cheeks. Let's test out some of these hairs. I love downloading custom content hairs, but I don't like the alpha versions of the hairs. I like the Maxis Match versions more. My hair is black. I do want to dye it purple though. Do I have elf ears? No, I don't. It looks like it though, and that's adorable. I usually only wear eyeliner and like concealer or something. I do that around the eyes too, like the red-ish stuff. But I don't know how I feel about it on Sims. It looks a little awkward on the Sims. I do quite like that, cause like the eye bags. The eye bag trend where you kind of make it little like darker under your eyes. I think that's amazing and adorable. I always take forever when I am making my Sims. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love snowmen and the lights. I have lights on my profile pictures. I customized it for Christmas. Oh my gosh, why do you do the white? Why do you do that? But yeah, even my bongo cat, he has a Christmas hat. Just for the holiday seasons. I would probably take it off in like February just because I really like to draw out winter. It's my favorite season. I love that sweater. I would totally wear that in real life. I think this is gonna be a legacy challenge. It's gonna start off with this sim. My sim. Just a little adventurer. Adventurer! She's so cute. I love this sim. Yeah, I know. Crazy. I actually really love this skirt. I actually might. I think I'm gonna do that. I wear Mary Janes when I wear this type of. Those are sneakers. Oh, this isn't definitely an interesting choice. I don't like how if you don't have nails on, it just looks like there's nothing there, like it's just flesh. First of all, this would look very good on a drag sim. Oh, glasses. I wear glasses. Oh, I wear glasses. I could have put glasses on her. Oh, she's so cute. She actually very much looks like me. I never work this hard on my Sims. The only thing I can manage is making this sim look adorable. Doing this, I'm totally doing this. Mary Jane's again. Because why not? Nails. Oh my gosh. Why? Why are the Sims like that? I didn't put nails on those. I don't want to look at those. Okay, I'm done. I'm done looking at it. Oh, how cute is that? That's adorable. I think I might go with that actually. And then I'll wear a shirt. I like that outfit. I would wear something like that. I think I'm good with her. I think she came out really cute. Formal, athletic, sleep. Oh, I skipped one, but that's swimwear. Or, yeah, swimwear. Party. The black lipstick I really like. Hot weather. I almost said sleep. And cold weather. Yeah, I think that's good. I like that. Do we have like an Asian last name? That's close enough. Nice. Awesome. I feel like I want to give her the friend of the animals aspiration. I think that would be really nice. I am a cat lover, personally. So I'm gonna give her this trait. I'm giving myself the high maintenance trait. Okay, I'm gonna do that one. And let's do my likes and dislikes. I like black, gray, green, purple, and brown. All of those other colors I'm neutral about. Music genres, alternative, focus, Japanese, winter holiday. I don't know why. Oh, is there like spooky music? Summer strap. I do not like the summer. I'm trying. Ooh, metal. I like metal. I like cross stitching. That's something I actually do. Okay, wellness. I also practice. I play piano, and video games, obviously. And I'll do painting, because why not? I'm trying to do 5 of everything. Not just like. Okay! Oh, she's real happy. I think I'm gonna get. Actually, no, I'm not gonna get a cat. Oh, I thought her posture was like messed up. I was like, same, but adjust. I think I'm good. I think I'm gonna adopt a cat. Lie. This is my first. Oh, she is adorable. Winter. I love the winter season. I'm picking winter. Do I live in Henford on Bagley? I just feel like it's a bad word to say, Bagley. I feel like I would personally live in a town rather than secluded and far away. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna go into build mode. Let's try and customize this a bit. Perfect. Yay, I can change it. I'm so happy. I definitely would have something like this. I don't like that either. Old grandmother homes. They make my heart beat. Okay, perfect. I think that's amazing and lovely, and I think the bathroom is good besides me wanting a shower tub combination. Shower tub. Can I not? I can't afford one. I cannot afford one. Can't afford one. Oh, okay. Put it back. Dark wood. Okay. Wallpaper. I think I can do with normal wallpaper for here. I'll be fine. Do I do a green room? I think I do a green room. I usually go with white rooms, but I want to spice it up. Okay, so this is gonna be a somewhat office type of deal. It's gonna be small, very small. I'm gonna get a really cheap desk. Like you. You're my very cheap desk. No, I can't afford a computer. I can't afford anything. Can I afford a chair? I can afford a chair. And maybe I'll be able to afford a yoga mat if I'm lucky. The yoga mat! Yes! I love that. Okay, that is literally all I can afford. Can I maybe possibly get an art piece up there. Got a $90 art piece, maybe. I don't think they have a $90 art piece besides the posters. Okay, I think I'm good. I can start playing the game. Okay, awesome. We have an adorable little house. Our sim is all made. Our house is all edited. It's very cute, very adorable. I think I'm going to end this here. And I will see you next time. Bye!